With so many bright minds in the tech industry, upgraded versions of our day-to-day gadgets are being produced that make our old gadgets look like a tossed-up gizmo. For instance, our number 9 on the list takes gardening to a whole new level. Or the number 3 that allows you to whip up a small feast in the middle of nowhere. If you have to have high-quality seamless videos like ours, you can also opt for our number 6. So here are the 10 coolest gadgets worth buying. Number 10. HUSQVARNA 535 FBX Forestry Clearing Backpack Chainsaw. What would usually come to mind when you think of a chainsaw is really different from what we're about to show you. With the groundbreaking design, the HUSQVARNA 535 FBX Forestry Clearing Backpack Chainsaw brings a new way of using chainsaws that long-term users will particularly love. The HUSQVARNA chainsaw engine is worn in a harness at your back along with a harness suspension frame that distributes the weight evenly and offers you a better chopping experience. The ergonomics provide less fatigue and increased comfort, allowing you to do more work in fewer hours. With an Engine X-Torque design, it optimizes fuel efficiency up to 20% and cuts down on 75% of emissions. Using the HUSQVARNA 535 FBX Forestry Clearing Backpack Chainsaw, you can chop like a pro while saving the planet. Win-win! Number 9. GROBO Premium Smart Indoor Garden. Some of us would love to garden, but the plants just don't agree with us. We stare at our green thumb friends with envy as our plants come out soggy and withered, or a weird combination of both. Fun fact, my mom owns a nursery and is a master gardener in 3 states, so both part is not a joke. That can happen sometimes, and it's as strange as you think. If you're in this category, then you really need the GROBO Premium Smart Indoor Garden, which is basically an automated hydroponics system that helps you grow healthy plants. You don't need to get a different one for each plant, as it has various presets for different plants ranging from fruits like strawberries to herbs like parsley and mint. The GROBO system has sensors to control pH levels, nutrient concentration, temperature, humidity, and those other seemingly complicated growth requirements you can't get your head around. All you have to do is plant your seed, drain, and fill your GROBO weekly, and you have a high yield of harvest. You couldn't mess that up, no matter how ungreen your thumbs are. It has a security lock on its glass door and an odor-reducing carbon filter, which allows it to fit seamlessly wherever you place it, even if you choose to put it in your bedroom. It has really efficient lights that approximately add only $5 to your energy bill per month. With GROBO, you can grow your plants as well as Rosetta the Garden Fairy. Or, as I said earlier, my mom. Number 8. CARBONICEAIR Therapy Pillow ANTI-SNORE. This gadget is really the pillow from your dreams if you've been struggling with neck pains, headaches, and snoring, because the CARBONICEAIR Therapy Pillow ANTI-SNORE helps solve all of these problems. It has an adjustable air pump that you can adjust to your preferred height and sustain the normal curvature of your neck and spine while sleeping to prevent those cranks and aches you always wake up with. It also prevents snoring by correcting blocked airways. In addition to avoiding pains and snores, the CARBONICE tech allows your pillow to stay cool all night long. No more changing positions to find that cool spot, because now the whole pillow is a cool spot. If you struggle with random breakouts, chances are it's a result of your pillow. Our pillows can be breeding grounds for dust mites, bacteria, and other microbes, and can cause clogged pores and acne breakouts. It has a carbon bamboo charcoal layer, an infused copper shield, and a graphene cover that works together to eliminate up to 99% of microbes and eliminate odor-causing bacteria usually found on the skin. This really is the super pillow. It addresses all your sleep nightmares to be the pillow of your dreams. Number 7. eKnee Intelligent Knee Brace. Why do we need an upgrade on the regular knee pad? Apart from the fact that newer is always better, one-up knee pads by customizing its support. Knee pads usually offer the same level of support regardless of what activity you're doing, thus defeating its whole purpose from preventing knee strain. With the help of artificial intelligence, customizable compression, and micro airbags, the ANTI Intelligent Knee Brace offers changeable support based on your level of motion and activity. It has 3 already loaded in settings: rest, low intensity, and high intensity. The ANTI automatically switches modes by inflating or deflating the airbags. If you've added or lost a few pounds, regular knee pads can get too loose or too tight. But none of that happens with the ANTI because it auto-tightens to the measurement of your knees and doesn't judge you, like your old knee pads would do. It also saves this data, ensuring you can run or jump or hike without worrying about your knee pads slipping about. Number 6. OPTREC by OPTEC. There are different drawbacks in trying to stream live on any platform or even record a simple moving video. One of them is trying to capture all you're doing without worrying about whether the video is clear or not. You can either hold your phone by yourself, use a stationary phone holder, or ask your annoying little brother to do it. And we all know how that usually goes. With the OPTREC gadget, you can do your streaming by yourself without any worries. It can rotate a full 360 degrees, move upwards 50 degrees and downward 25, while ensuring it tracks and centers the frame on any moving subject. Its special IR detector allows it to monitor the infrared intensity and calculate the direction of the infrared light source within 5 degrees. So for your next IG Live, you just need to clamp your OPTREC to a firm surface and your smart cameraman is ready to make you look awesome. Number 5. CAMG Plus Camping Security Device. For all outdoor enthusiasts, the CAMG is a necessity, we assure you. It combines security with temp checks and anti-bug functions in a small, squarish box that is a testament to the wonders of technology. Once set up and connected to your smartphone via Bluetooth, the CAMG Plus camping security device would monitor movement in a 4 to 5 foot radius and sends an alert to your phone once it detects any unusual motion. CAMG also churns out ultrasonic waves to keep out those nasty mosquitoes that are the bane of every outdoor event, as well as monitors temp and humidity in your camp spot. As someone that lives in the southeast of the United States, all of these things are problems that can be solved by the CAMG. It uses a USB-C and has a 3500 milliamp battery. Its small size makes it easy to toss into your luggage or your next outdoor adventure. Number 4. COOKPERFECT Intelligent Meat Thermometer. It's goodbye to those expressions on your friends' faces when you bring out yet another burnt meat for dinner. If you've never gotten the perfect meat meal done, then get this gadget and wow your friends at the next hangout. The COOKPERFECT Intelligent Meat Thermometer is the solution you've been crossing your fingers and hoping for. The thermometer on the COOKPERFECT measures both the meat's core temperature and the air temperature with the same probe, helping you keep an eye on how things are going. With its 400-foot Bluetooth range, you don't have to stare unblinking at your grill or oven to monitor your cooking. You can move around and do other things within the house and still get alerted when your meat is done. COOKPERFECT also gives you an estimate on how much cooking time remains with its digital Wi-Fi meat thermometer, so you have ample time to prevent another crisp, blackened meat meal. Number 3. VIDALIBRE Camping Stove. We present a multifunctional portable camping stove that lets you cook, fry, grill, barbecue, bake, or broil in the wild, all to your heart's content. It is technically a wood-burning stove, but its fuel options vary from a handful of fallen branches to charcoal or dry alcohol. Who says you have to eat sparingly when in nature? When you buy the VIDALIBRE camping stove, you get pots, pans, grids, and skewers for kebabs, and a carrying bag, ensuring you can whip up a balanced meal wherever you are. Thanks to its high-grade 1mm thick stainless steel frame, weather conditions are not a hindrance to making a meal. You can boil a large pot of water in about 8 to 10 minutes, whether it's raining or blowing gales. It weighs just about 20 pounds, which makes it ideal for transport. With so much to carry on a family camping trip, you wouldn't want something that takes up space, would you? The camping stove's travel frame ensures that it takes up as little space as possible in your already filled car trunk, so you don't have to jettison any important items. Number 2. ALPHAHOM CareGo Personal Alarm. Most smartphones offer some form of tracking that can be used in emergencies, but nothing beats having a gadget specifically created for that purpose. The ALPHAHOM CareGo personal alarm, through its CareGo app available on both Android and iOS, can send alerts through your phone to as many emergency contacts as you want simultaneously. It doesn't just send SOS alerts, that's hardly helpful if they don't know where you are. It also sends out real-time GPS locationing. There's 0 delays in transmission, so you can be sure help is on the way once you press it. Speaking of pressing the button, the SOS is designed to respond to enough friction and force to avoid false alarms. You don't want to be the person who cries wolf every time your finger brushes your CareGo gadget. It can also be used as a Bluetooth tracker for those items that tend to go missing at inconvenient times, such as your keys or wallet. With 1-year battery life, you can be sure you're never stranded with a drained gadget at important moments. Number 1. GUNNAR Lightning Bolt 360 Gaming Glasses. It's common knowledge the adverse effects of constantly staring at screens, but the threat of eye strain doesn't usually deter us, especially when we're about to beat our high score. With the lens of GUNNAR Lightning Bolt 360 gaming glasses, you can rest easy. No more eye straining, dry eyes, or headaches from prolonged screen time. This gadget blocks out the harmful blue light and protects your eyes. It also relieves temple pressure from headsets with its unique lightning bolt design. With 3 different nose bridge sizes, small, medium, and large, you can choose your comfort specifications. The best tech are the ones that are multi-purpose, and that's why you can also use your GUNNAR gaming glasses outdoors. All you have to do is change the lens and you're good to go. All the info on these gadgets, we know you're itching to get one for yourself or your family. You can find the purchase links below in the description so you can shop to your fill. Thanks for watching, and make sure not to leave without hitting the like and subscribe button.